Hey everybody, I'm 9 First Warning meteorologist Brandon Spinner. Here's your 9 First Warning that this upcoming weekend we have the potential for our first big winter storm of the season. Now there's still a lot of questions that need to be answered. We're 120 hours out from this, and the biggest question will be the position of the low pressure system and where it tracks. Now a more northerly track means more so rainfall here. A more southerly track would mean mostly snow. But here's the thing, if it goes too far south, we miss out on all of it altogether. Now, the best chance at snow would likely be midday Saturday and then overnight into early parts of Sunday. Still a lot that needs to be hammered out, and computer models have kind of been a little wishy-washy over the last 24 hours or so. Here is one computer model outlook at what we can expect. But you see the low pressure system takes it right through northern Alabama and out into the Carolinas. We still have some snowflakes here into the tri-state by midday Saturday and then late into Sunday morning as that system rides up the East Coast. But you see the twisting and twirling out towards Raleigh. That same model yesterday had it right through Lexington. So a several hundred-mile change just in the last 6 hours. And that's why it is so persistent and so important that we need to keep an eye on these models and not jump to conclusions right away, because there's a lot going on out there on social media, on those social media networks, on what we can expect. And just one map doesn't really tell the whole story. Here's a different computer model. This one's a little further north with its track, but it has been the least consistent out of the last 3 days. And that still has some steadier, heavier snow here into the tri-state by Saturday evening and then overnight into Sunday before another blast of rain on the backside, which is a new addition to this computer model and this system. So a lot and a very complex weather system to keep an eye on for this weekend. And this is going to be one that you need to really keep a close eye on as we go towards the weekend right here on WCPO and WCPO.com. One model had heavier snowfall. This one drifting off towards the east, not as much snow. I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some snow accumulation here this weekend. It's just how much and where will be the heaviest is the questions we need to really consider as we get closer to the weekend. As far as your Monday, your New Year's Day, this has been pretty much the scene all across the board. That's what we saw all weekend as well. And the colder air as we get out the door here the next couple of days, showing those wind chills are likely into the low 20s, not only Tuesday, but again into Wednesday. Low pressure system to the north and west, but high pressure is really going to dominate our pattern. We've seen some snow showers throughout the day on Monday. These will fade away into the evening and overnight for Tuesday. Your Tuesday starts off chilly, 27, wind out of the west at 5 to 10. Skies will stay clear for your Tuesday. How about that? Some sunshine, 41, wind out of the southwest at 10 to 15. And then as we look through the rest of the week, quieter week ahead, a late chance Wednesday, not really a whole lot there. Sunshine for a majority of this week, but by the weekend, still keeping an eye on that. And there's your 9 First Warning that Saturday into Sunday is definitely going to be something to watch.